To unlock any Itel device, especially the modern day Itel device ranging from 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and so on. This is the video for your latest Itel device. Simply power the phone off after you might have forgotten the password. Wait for it to completely turn off. When it completely turns off, here is what you have to do. Press the power key for 3 seconds. Then you press the volume down key. 1, 2, 3. Press the two keys, power key and volume down key together. Release it when you see this Itel logo. So here is the recovery menu. Use your volume down key to navigate to wipe data stroke factory reset. But before then, let's wipe the cache partition. When you use your volume down key to wipe cache partition, use the power key to select. Use the power key again to complete it. Use your volume down key back to wipe data stroke factory reset. Use the power key. Use your volume down key. Press on the power key to select factory data reset. And automatically you see that the wiping process will kickstart. On your screen you can see that the data wipe is completed. So use your volume down key and up to select reboot system now. Press the power key to complete or to proceed with the process of unlocking this Itel device. This process, it will load to your menu. Select it as if it is a brand new phone. After selecting it, you have unlocked your phone successfully. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment wherever you have issue. See you in our next video.